आशिल्लो इन दी सर्वे डिपार्टमेंट आनी आमी आयज पळयलेलें आसा कसो सरकार पयलो युनेस्को सायट आमचे वेस्टर्न घाट्स काबार करपाक सोदता आनी वेलसांवचे जी घरां जे कदंबा एरान बांदलेली हेरिटेज सायटान तांकां ते काबार करपाक सोदता, लोकांक डिस्प्लेस करपाक सोदता, लोकांक रस्त्यार घालपाक सोदता आनी तेजे उपरांत कोलाच्या धुरान लोकांक काबार करपाक सोदता. आतां 26 मे 2023 सर्वे डिपार्टमेंटान नोटिफिकेशन घातलें पेपराचेर की आमी प्रोमोलगेशन ऑफ लँड ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे आमी 114 फॉर्म दिवपाक सोदता. एज पर दॅट नोटिफिकेशन काडलेलें आनी 30 डेजान आमकां रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ली. 30 डेजान आमचे लँड ओनरांनी रिप्लाय दिली सायटींग ऑल द डॉक्युमेंटेशन वीच इज इन देअर पोजेशन. आतां वी हॅव सीन द रेल्वे हॅज गिवन एन ऑब्जेक्शन, हॅज गिवन सम रिप्लायज आणि इफ यू सी इन द रिप्लाय तितून ते म्हणटा की कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन आशिल्लो आनी एज पर द कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन रेल्वे लायन आशिल्ली आनी तेच्याच रेल्वे ट्रॅकाचे सायडीक लँड आपणाची आशिल्ली. आतां कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन या रिप्लायन ना आनी कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन फॉर सम रिजन इज मिसींग फ्रॉम वेलसांव. मात तुका ही ओनरशीप कशी मेळ्ळी, ही प्लॅन कशी येयली. सेकंड तेजे उपरांत तेंच्यांनी कितें म्हणलां ना एज पर द लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड 1969 अंटील युअर डॉक्युमेंटेशन इज कंप्लीट यू कॅन क्लेम ओनरशीप. म्हळ्यार तुजे सगळे आतां जरी हांव घर बांदपाक सोदतां आय हॅव टू प्रोड्यूस माय सेल डीड, आय हॅव टू प्रोड्यूस माय अदर सक्सेशन डीड इफ इज अ एन्सेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी आनी तशें करून 114 फॉर्म म्हाजे मेवता आनी तेजे उपरांत हांव परमिशन घेवपाक शकता. तेजे पयलीं नोबडी कॅन टेक परमिशन. आतां जे पळय इलिगॅलिटीज पळय सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेची ओनरशीप टायटल कोर्टान आसा, सबज्युडिस मॅटर चालू आसा, डिपार्टमेंट परमिशन दिता. हे काम चालू कशें जालें? जे आतां चालू आसा इलिगल काम, लँड फिलिंग जाता, न्हंयी पुरयता, उदकाची वाट पुरयता, लोकांक लँड लॉक केल्या. आरे हें चल्लां कितें? ही डिपार्टमेंट आहा खंय आहा? वेर इज द कलेक्टर, वेर इज द मामलादार, वेर इज द TCP डिपार्टमेंट? How is that these people are given permission? So, ये total fraud पळय हा या साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेन केला and the sad part is the departments are hand in glove with these violators. आता we have seen also कोणाची गाडी उखल्ली, ती पाक केल्ली रस्त्याचेर ती उखल्ली. हाय म्हणजे दादागिरी जाला. म्हणून आयज हो सरकार करपाक सोदता कितें? आमी पयला ओल्ड गोवा युनेस्को सायट काबार करपाक सोदता, पण सगळ्याक जे हेरिटेज जे आसा गोंयची आनी जे गोंयकार जे आसा, रूट गोंयकार आसा तांकांय काबार करपाक सोदता. सो आमी मागता कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटाक ताबडतोब स्टॉप वर्क ऑर्डर काडची. अदरवायज we will be forced to compel to take action on each and every person who is involved in giving permission. आता आमकां माहिती मेळ्ळ्या की डिपार्टमेंट सर्वे डिपार्टमेंट इज गिविंग इज पुटिंग 114 फॉर्माचेर नांव घालता रेल्वेचें and the matter is still heard in the ISLR court. म्हणून हे चल्लां कितें? कांयच प्रोसिजर ना. सो साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे इज एक्टिंग लायक अ स्टेट विथ इन द स्टेट. जाय थंय करतले. मागीर हे डिपार्टमेंट कितें आहा, लँड रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट कितें ती समजी स्क्रॅप करा मरे डिपार्टमेंट. आनी तशें आली विथ पॉजेशन एंड ऑक्युपेशनाचेर जरी ओनरशीप मेवता ते मुणकारेल केस इतली वर्सां कित्याक चलता तांकांय दी मरे परमिशन अशें आहा जाल्यार. सो हें चल्लां हें चल्लां. दीस इज द पीपल ऑफ कासावली, Velsav, ROC, Pale has been suffering and it is high time the government has to look into these illegalities and act before it is too late.
इंजेक्शन किती आणला तुम्ही?
ना कोर्टान आतां आमकां रिप्लाय आयज मेवला. केस आसा एप्रिल 15 but as per the reply they have given us insufficient documentation which we will be replying back. So what we are saying is until this procedure is complete of ownership, you have to halt the work. Can I start a construction without ownership? म्हणजे कलेक्टरान हा कितें कलेक्टरान सोडपाचें कलेक्टर. You basic thing the collector do not know to uphold the law, then why we require collectors in Goa? So हे फोकाणा जालेलें आसा. म्हणजे कोणें तुम्हाला I can go and build anywhere wherever I want. हे फोकाणा जालेलें.
Railways are working in an area which is not theirs.
Which is not theirs. 100%. With no documentation.
So what will you do next step?
No, we have already filed matters in the High Court and in the district court. So we are waiting for the hearings and the court order. But what we are saying is, until the ownership is verified, until you complete the documentation as per the land revenue code, you cannot start work unless and until your documentation is clear. So ते तुम्ही clear करा. तो मागीर कितें आसा दुसरो प्रोसिजर करा. No, this is affecting the entire village न्ही. आता आमी पळयलेलें आसा तूं एक्झिस्टिंग ट्रॅकाचेर व्हायब्रेशनाक लागून ऑलरेडी गोरांक क्रॅक पडलेलो आसा. आता एक काम चालू जालेल्यान ते लोकांचे लँड लॉक जाला, गाडी थिंगा कुसल्या भितर आनी गेटी वयर रस्तो बांदला. हे खंयच्या खंय पळयला हे डेव्हलपमेंट गेटी वयल्यार रस्तो आनी ते हाव द पर्सन शूड कम, हाव दॅट सिनियर सिटीजन शूड कम आउट. But
how long did it take you to get these documents from the collector?
So this year,
January.
From January, we have been waiting, and there is a deliberate attempt to delay, so that they can continue their work. And मागीर म्हणटले काम जातकूच आता आमी काय करपाक शकना, इतले पयशे म्हणले गव्हर्नमेंट पयशे म्हणटले and we have to continue म्हणटले. So हे deliberate attempt by the South Western Railway and its contractor RVNL should be banned.
कब्जा करपाक सोदता
कब्जा ही हुकुमशाही झाली. आम्ही म्हणटले पोर्चुगीज हुकुमशाही करतले म्हणून, हे हुकुमशाही साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे करता आणि गव्हर्नमेंट न्हिदला.
Not only that, they are using the state machinery, including the Goa police. This lady, Chandra, come here, please. This lady is, her gate, above her gate now the mud has been filled. And she wanted to come out of her gate. Police put a cordon in front of her gate, stating that she cannot exit. अरे कितको मैं बाहेर सरपाय भितर सरपाचें. I mean this is not done. Hey, what is it? Is it a democracy that we are living in a democracy, or this is a dictatorship? Railway कितना मोटा, officer कितना मोटा. Only in Goa you have this protest. अरे we are not concerned what is happening in Bihar and UP. We are concerned regarding our state and how our state government is bending backwards to accommodate this. अरे चोरीची दिसा चोरी, राती चोरपा नाका, राती मोठा न्हू चोर. पुलीस येता थंय का, पुलीस 100 डायल केल्या, पुलीस येता आणि पुलीस एक भितो घाता लोकांक आमच्या.
आम्ही डायल करून पुलिस आपयला ते आमकां भितर घालपाक सोदता. दॅट इज नॉट करेक्ट न्हू. अँड दॅट इज अवर रायट ऑफ वे. जे मुखार आमची गेटी मुखार आसा ती रायट ऑफ वे.
आणि हुंयच्यान वचपाक वाट ना मागीर तुमकां?
ना वाट ना.
फाटल्यान तेजी शेजारी आहा, शी हॅज नॉट दिस.
We have to request the neighbor that I want to move out from that side and I am just coming out, but my vehicle cannot come out.
At least तुम्ही
आणि आता 1.5 महिन्यान आता काल देखून सांजे बारीकसो पावस पडला. 1.5-2 महिन्यान आता भरपूर पावस जातलो. हेची घर फ्रॉम द झिरो लेवल सकल पांयडे आसली की 6 to 8 मीटर पांयडे आसली की ती आता तेन पुरोयन आणि 3-4 मीटर माती गायल्या. ते उदक वयतलें आता ते घरां पिंटा वयतलें. तें घर 400 year old घरां, सगळ्यांची घरां 300 to 400 years old.
Demolish जातो न्हू, automatically
They
demolish.
will just collect like a pack of cards. I'm म्हणटा कितें. Mamladar even our Thalati has even given a report which is favorable to the public, stating that they have been dumping mud illegally. Why is the Mamladar, why is the deputy collector, why is the collector not taking cognizance of these facts?
No, have there any trenches and all been built?
No, now they are saying
because
they
rains
built
are
a 60 to 90 centimeter trench. कळलं का? त्या 60 आता 6 to 8 meter wide ती आमची it was a tributary to the river Sal. ती आतली 6 to 8 meter and water is to gush. You couldn't even stand during the rains. इतला प्रेशरान ते बाय ग्रेविटी उदक वयता. ते 60 to 90 meter trench बांदून दिता मोठा. हां police आमकेन सांगता, police are acting, the Goa police are acting as if they are the agents of this South Western Railway. ते सांगता नो don't object, तुमके ती मेट्टे घ्या. अरे ही भिकारी सगळी भिकारी, they are the landowners. They are the landowners of their land, rightful landowners. As per the description record, it is showing that their land is up to the railway line. And ते भिकारी कोताय तुम्ही याला putting them. This lady's car in her compound now last 4-5 months. The neighbor also they have also their car landlocked. Motor they go buy car. It was a motorable road. There is this gentleman. Please come here. Agent Jago acquisition a gelo. Survey 8/1 in Iswar Singh. What they do? There is no demarcation done. Oil and some take a forest tower ahle 15 to 20 meter height. वयल्यान सावन माती गायली. आख्खे ते फॉरेस्ट 2 झोरे आसले आख्खे ते काबार कोण वयल्यासून माती घाताय अरे कितें आहा परिवर्तन म्हणटाय गव्हर्मेंट इज सेइंग ग्रो मोर ट्रीज उणे म्हाका स्वता 200 एक झाडां फॉरेस्ट फ्रूट बेरिंग ट्रीज काबार गेली ब्रुनो यू स्पीक अप
I think they've been highlighting this many a times in the newspapers. It is coming in newspapers. Here's my brother also. We're testing against these people. Now, we two people go up on top. And we are manhandled. Who is there to take responsibility? We're senior citizens. I'm just managing whatever I can to provide the sustenance of my family, which is being inherited by my family. If they are going to walk over us, then what is left for us? Depending on the government, we have made so many requests. And yet, put just a blind eye.
These two gentlemen, they go there. Police, armed police come from Railway Protection Force. Imagine this, we don't know what will be the situation. And it is at a steep, it's a non-development slope actually. The way they have destroyed the valley and what they have done, there no embankment, even built, that all that loose mud will flow down the valley. Below he is cultivating his fields. For generations he is cultivating his fields till today. So this wash will go and submerge his. I mean they are destroying the total topography. Complaints have been filed to the TCP, and they say no, there is no. Which is very surprising that there is no railways, right? There is no hill cutting. That is the only recourse. And other thing we know, there has to be mass agitation finally. Something which we do not want to do, but I think now in 1.5 months time, her house is on an imminent verge of collapse. Where is the disaster management? This is in the same building. I think we have to go and get out the disaster management before it happens as a preemptive measure. आता तुमकां न्हिदताय तुमकां खबर ना कितें जावपा आहा तें गांवांतून. Why are these officers paid salaries? We are taxpayers.
नाल्यार शेवटी आतां एज्युकेशन जातलें म्हणटा तुमी
करपाक पडटलें न्हू नाल्यार जीव दिना मरपाचें सुसायड कमीट करपाक पडटलें आमच्या सगळ्या गांवांत आतां आमचो गांव हाली जाला आख्खे तूं यो आनी चोय फाल्यां ये आनी चोय हांव तुका वता एवरी सेकंड हावस इज वेकेटेड
Today it is railway, tomorrow they can do it like this anywhere, no?
दे वील फाल्यां आमी घरांत घुसतले आनी इशू another issue is there this rail workers none of them have identification. The panchayat has written several times to the railway authorities that they should have identification. We don't know who is coming. Murders are taking place, rapes are taking place in that vicinity. So there is, and most of our people are either youngsters, school-going children, or senior citizens, because most of our able-bodied men and women are overseas, either overseas or in Bangalore or Mumbai or wherever, taking out a living.